Hey everyone, welcome to this video on how to transition from a Scrum Master to a Program Manager. This is in fact a major milestone, expanding your role from a team-focused facilitator to a strategic leader impacting business outcomes. Many Scrum Masters struggle here on getting the right inputs and guidance. We'll explore key strategies, the competencies required, and actionable steps to ensure a smooth and successful transition, mostly within 3 months. Stay tuned. As the first step, you need clarity on where you're headed and understand the differences between these roles. Why does this matter? The roles of Scrum Master and Program Manager are fundamentally different. One focuses on team level execution, while the other drives multiple projects to achieve strategic objectives. How do you start? Understand the expectations for each role. Scrum Masters excel in facilitation, while Program Managers need a broader perspective and stakeholder management. Pro tip: talk to a Program Manager in your organization to get first-hand insights into their day-to-day challenges. Next, we'll look at the areas to focus on for a successful transition. Successful transitions don't happen overnight. They're built on preparation. Why is assessment crucial? It helps you identify gaps in your skill set and business understanding. How can you approach this? Focus on 3 areas: strategic thinking, broadening your business perspective, and developing leadership qualities. Volunteer for complex projects to showcase your readiness. Pro tip: keep a journal of your achievements. This will be invaluable for your interviews and self-reflection. Now that you know what to work on, let's talk about networking and communication. Building relationships is your ticket to visibility and growth. Why network? Strong connections can open doors to opportunities and mentorships. And how you build these relationships? Communicate your aspirations with your managers and senior leaders, seek feedback, and actively participate in cross-functional initiatives and projects. Use LinkedIn to connect with program managers and join relevant forums. Expand your professional circle. Networking sets the stage, but change management is where the real challenge begins. Change is the only constant in program management. And why is this essential? You will lead teams through transition, ensuring stability and progress. How to embrace change management? Develop resilience, guide teams through uncertainty, and foster agile problem solving. Take a short course on change management to deepen your understanding and add to your resume. With change management in place, let's focus on strengthening your core competencies. Your core competencies are the foundation for your growth. Advanced project management and leadership training ensure you're equipped to handle complex challenges. How do you strengthen these? Take advanced courses, read foundational books like Agile Estimation and Planning by Mike Cohn, and engage in workshops to sharpen your skills. Dedicate some time each day or a week to professional reading or online courses to stay updated and relevant. Now let's look at business acumen. Skill every program manager must master. Program managers think beyond projects, they think strategy. And it connects projects to the company's overall goals and empowers decision making. How can you build this skill? Study business strategy through MBA level online courses and read books like Good to Great by Jim Collins. Volunteer to work with your organization's planning or strategy team to gain real-world experience. Next, let's tackle financial management, a critical skill for managing programs effectively. Program managers must manage budgets and resources wisely. It ensures projects delivery, that there is a maximum value gained within operational constraints. How can you get started? Take finance courses tailored for non-finance managers and apply these concepts to your current role. Use tools like Excel or budgeting softwares to practice forecasting, resource management on smaller projects before taking on larger ones. Let's shift focus to leadership. Leadership isn't just about managing tasks, it's about inspiring teams. Why develop leadership? Your ability to lead through vision and communication will define your success as a program manager. Work on self-awareness, refine your communication skills, and practice conflict resolution. Strategic vision is a must. Articulate clear, long-term goals to your teams. Record yourself practicing key messages to improve clarity and confidence in your communication. Leadership is key, but experience in complex projects take it a step further. Nothing prepares better than hands-on experience. It demonstrates your ability to handle challenges across departments and large initiatives. How do you gain this experience? Volunteer for cross-departmental projects, take on additional responsibilities, and propose high-impact initiatives. Start with a small cross-functional initiative to build confidence before taking larger projects. Next, let's look at certifications and continuous learning to validate your expertise. Certifications showcase your commitment and credibility. Why are they important? They validate your skills and open doors to advanced roles. How can you stay updated? Pursue certifications like PMP or Safe Agilist. Attend industry conferences and participate in webinars. Pro tip: align certifications with your career goals. For example, PMP for traditional project management or SAFE for agile environments. Now, let's bring it all together with practical applications. Theory is important, but practice is essential. Why focus on application? Real-world scenarios sharpen your decision-making and execution skills. How can you apply what you learn? Analyze case studies, engage in pro bono work, or apply program management principles to personal projects. Pro tip: start with small-scale initiatives and scale up as your confidence grows. Finally, let's look at your professional profile to reflect your transition. Your profile is your first impression and make it count. Why update it? A polished profile increases your visibility to recruiters and showcases your readiness for the program manager role. Highlight relevant skills and experiences in your CV. Optimize your LinkedIn with strategic keywords and showcase your most impactful projects. Pro tip: regularly update your LinkedIn activity to stay in the recruiter's radar. Congratulations, you've taken the first step toward an exciting career as a program manager. Why is preparation key? It builds confidence and sets you apart from the competition. How can you prepare? Practice for interviews using STAR format. Research roles aligned with your skills and activate your network for referrals. Pro tip: reflect on your progress regularly and embrace continuous improvement. Thank you for watching this. In case if you need any personal guidance, mentorship, feel free to reach out. You can always email us at programstrategyhq@gmail.com. Yes, in case if this video is helpful, do like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next one. Thank you.